Today we are going to make Choc Banana, which is made dipping a banana into the melted chocolate, then covered with different toppings. It's yummy and entertaining snack, and normally you can see it at festival stand stores in Japan. Anyway, let's get started. Banana! Hi! Ooh, it has to be careful. So cute, aren't they? Well, いただきます。Which one I choose? Okay, the facey one. The ordinary chocolate and lots of sprinkle. Cute. Sorry, I eat. Banana and chocolate. Of course, yummy always. Nothing wrong. Yeah, it was fun to make it and easy. And also you can create your way. You know, many different toppings. Fine. Just try it. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.